Hey guys, Nomadic Tips here, and today we're going to show you the Mongolian facts for kids. In this video, we will simplify everything you need to know about Mongolian history, culture, and people, as it is purely fact-related and child-friendly content. You can show this to your child who is a soon-to-be global thinker and will hopefully grasp the mighty history of our country's ruler, Genghis Khan, and how this country was formed. The first one, landscape. The land of the blue skies offers some of the most stunning landscapes of the world, as the Gobi Desert in the south, and the Altai Mountains in the west, and the Tag Forest in the north give way to wide open grassland or steppe in central Mongolia, and endless roads of fresh air, beautiful scenery, and wild animals. One of the best ways you can truly enjoy this scenery is to go outside the city, as it is definitively going to give you a best experience as you start travel through the most notable locations which offer the world. If you want to find out more about which places are mandatory for tourists like you to visit, it is written in our article on nomadictips.com, bucket list for if you are traveling to Mongolia, so check that out. Let's go to the second one. So, the second one is ethnic groups. The Kazakhs, who live in Western Mongolia, are the second largest ethnic group after the Halk, who make up 85% of the Mongol population. They are distinguished from the rest of the population by their language, as Kazakh is a Turkic language, and their religion, Sunni Islam. A tiny number of Kazakhs are actually eagle hunters, pursuing fawns and hares on horseback with their own trained golden eagles. The two eagle festivals in or near Bangwatli honor this custom in September and October. So if you're interested in seeing this ethnic minority in action, we highly recommend you plan your travel to Mongolia the day before the Eagle Festival. And if you want to know more about the dates, please check our website out, as we have everything laid out for you, as it will definitively leave a permanent mark on your heart. Let's go to the third one, which is iconic structures. A monument honoring Mongolia's national hero, Genghis Khan, the larger-than-life hero, has been erected some 33 miles of Ulaanbaatar. Genghis Khan's equestrian statue stands 40 meters tall and shows the ruler riding a horse. It is located in a bustling tourist area, and tourists can walk to the monument to the horse's head for a breathtaking panoramic view. Therefore, if you want to see the biggest statue in the world, literally, making a short ride to the Genghis Khan's equestrian statue should be on the top of your list. It should be a priority for you to see the mighty hero in its actual presence. On the fourth one, which is a person, speaking of Genghis Khan, Mongolia's most prominent leader and the respected person is Genghis Khan. He established the Mongol Empire and unified the nomadic tribes of Eastern Asia. He is credited with inventing the modern postal service, choosing the Uyghur script as his empire writing system, and regulating and fostering trade and communication along the Silk Road. Despite his violent reputation, he promoted racial equality and believed in meritocracy. And it is now regarded as a founding father and a national hero by modern Mongolians. It is very hard for someone to hear the word Mongolia and not associate or think about the mighty presence and the figure of Genghis Khan. And that's why he will always forever remain in all of our hearts. So, the next one, which will be history. The Gobi Desert possesses a world's richest collection of dinosaur fossils, with rock formations dating back over 70 million years. Roy Chapman Andrews, an American explorer and a paleontologist, made the location renowned in the 1920s when he uncovered the first known fossil dinosaur eggs. The skeleton of the Tarbosaurus bater was returned to Mongolia after the government successfully, indefinitely stopped the private sale of the remains that were plundered from the country several years ago. It is presently housed among country's other dinosaurs fossils in Mongolia, and it is currently in the Mongolia Central Museum of Dinosaurs in Ulaanbaatar. Therefore, if you're traveling to Mongolia and the city of Ulaanbaatar, to learn more about the history of the country, you must visit our prominent museums, as it will uncover a diaspora of findings and fascinating revelations that will probably fascinate your child and educate him for the next many years. Thank you guys for watching this video, as we have literally created the best short video for your child to digest. And if you want to see more of our educational videos on Mongolia's history, culture, and people, please make sure to subscribe and like this video. We'll see you next time. Bye.